Hi, I'm Simran. Welcome to my kitchen. Today you're watching me on Femina.in and I'm going to show you a recipe which is called vegan pizza. It's a great take on the worldwide favorite dish. And before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Let's get started. These are the ingredients which we're using to make vegan pizza. To make the dough in a stand mixer bowl fitted with the hook attachment, add the pizza flour, and you can also use all-purpose flour instead of the pizza flour. Add salt and yeast. While the mixer is running, pour in the chilled water and knead for 10 minutes on medium-low speed until a smooth dough has formed. It should stick a little to the bottom of the bowl but not the sides. Sprinkle some flour on a kitchen counter. Gently knead the dough to smoothen it. Using the dough scraper or a sharp knife, cut it into 2 halves. With lightly oiled hands, shape the dough into smooth balls. Sprinkle some olive oil on a baking sheet. Brush it lightly. Place the balls on the grease tray, at least 4 inches apart. Brush the top with olive oil, cover with the plastic wrap and allow to rise for 2 hours at room temperature. To make vegan sauce, in a mixer jug, drop soaked cashews, nutritional yeast, water, garlic and salt. Blend until it is smooth and not grainy. In a heavy bottom pan, melt vegan butter, add flour, roast for 2 minutes on low heat. Keep stirring until it is lightly roasted. Pour in the cashew mixture. Whisk constantly to prevent it from forming the lumps in the sauce. Cook it on low heat for 4 minutes until it's thick. Add almond milk and cook for another minute. If the sauce looks thick, add a bit more water to adjust the consistency. Season with freshly cracked pepper. Pour the sauce in a bowl and let it cool to room temperature. In a large wide pan, melt vegan butter, add oil, add the chopped garlic and sliced onions, saute for 2 minutes and drop in the cremini mushrooms. Stir and lightly roast for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. Tear a rosemary sprig and toss it in the mushrooms. Season with salt and pepper. Remove it from the heat and let it cool. Slice Thai red chillies. Sprinkle some flour and semolina on the pizza peel. Place a ball of dough, dust it with some flour on top. Now spread the dough with your hands into a 12-inch wide circle without tearing it. Spread the vegan sauce with the back of the spoon, leaving half-inch border on the sides. Scatter the mushrooms, some more rosemary leaves. Place the semi-dried tomatoes, sliced red chillies and some char-grilled artichoke hearts. Sprinkle your favorite vegan cheese and rosemary on the top. Transfer it to the hot oven on a preheated pizza stone. Bake it for 10 to 12 minutes until the crust is golden brown. Drizzle some olive oil and drop a handful of baby rocket leaves on top. Your vegan pizza is ready to serve. Savor and enjoy the pizza and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina. Bye bye.